Continue on I-70 West for 333 miles.
All right, everyone, just a quick update for the day. This is day 4. We are up deep in the mountains, and I'll pan around a minute to show you where we're at exactly. Snow. Didn't think we were going to see snow, but we're definitely seeing snow. It's been snowing pretty heavy. We are now in a 5-mile-an-hour traffic, I don't want to say jam, but delay. Everybody's moving slowly but safely, so that's the important thing.
Scenic crawl. Yeah,
we are in the Vail, Colorado area right now, and up at around 8,000 feet for elevation, which I'm already feeling a little bit tired, to be honest with you, because I'm from a flatlander at sea level. 8,000 feet is much thinner air. Brian's little snack bag of potato chips here is completely puffed up at elevation here. So otherwise, good trip so far. Slight delay. Hopefully we'll still get into, where are we shooting for tonight? Somewhere in Utah?
Provo, Utah.
We're shooting for Utah tonight. So still trucking on. We are in 4-wheel drive, as they are suggesting chains or that type of deal, especially for commercial vehicles. So we are in 4-wheel drive just as a precautionary. Haven't had to really use it except pulling out of a gas station. We started to spin just a little bit because there is a thin layer of snow. Anyway, give you another update in a little bit. Alright, yeah, another update. So, we're going to take a pee break, you know, like most of us have to do, driving for hours at a time. And we're in the middle, just past on the other side of Vail, Colorado. So obviously we're still in the mountains. And beautiful panoramic view. We are tiny people amongst large rocks. Anyway, check out the rig. Can you say a little bit muddy? They're of course putting dirt on the roads because of all the, it's snowing here. So anyway, we're gonna jump back on the road here in just a second. Just thought I'd share that with you all. It's a beautiful place here in Colorado. Okay, so it's been a pretty long day of travel, no real issues other than the snow, which you'll see in this video, and then it got sunny, and then it started to snow again, and then rain, but no real issues, just kind of slowed us down a little bit there. I'm gonna make it kind of a quick edit tonight. Obviously lots of B-roll to show you the countryside of what we've traveled through today. Tomorrow is the day. So for everybody who's been following along, I appreciate you, thank you. Tomorrow will be the day. It's probably gonna be, again, a very late edit. I'll probably get it up close to, I don't know, 11 o'clock midnight, but I will do the reveal tomorrow. You will know where we're going, who we're gonna see tomorrow. So see you then. If you are finding value in this video, hit the like button, and it's really important that you subscribe, as it helps me get sponsors like Airworx, Aero Adventure, WingBug, and Griplock Ties. And right now, Griplock Ties has a promo for you to get free shipping. Just enter the code EXPERIMENTAL at checkout. Let's jump back in.